Evans's 209 yards lead Bucs past Redskins 27-7. Landover, MD, AP. Mike Evans was too big, too deceptively quick. When the Washington Redskins had a linebacker trail him down the middle of the field in the fourth quarter. It was the biggest no contest in a game that turned into, well, a no contest. The 6'5", 231-pound rookie had 209 yards receiving Sunday, nearly setting the franchise record. And the Tampa Bay Buccaneers forced 3 turnovers and sacked Robert Griffin III 6 times Sunday, in a 27-7 win that broke a 5-game losing streak. Evans finished with 7 catches. He's had at least 4 in every game in his young NFL career, and a pair of touchdowns. He accounted for 73% of Josh McCown's 288 yards passing. His 51-yard catch set up a field goal in the first half, and his touchdowns of 36 and 56 yards came in the second, the last one after an inside move that left linebacker Perry Riley trailing hopelessly behind. The No. 7 overall pick from Texas A&M became the first rookie with 3 consecutive 100-yard games with at least 1 touchdown in each since Randy Moss in 1998. According to stats, he was 7 yards shy of Vincent Jackson's team record of 216. Set 2 years ago. Jonathan Banks returned an interception for a touchdown, and McCown completed 15 of 23 passes for the Buccaneers, 2-8, whose offense came to life after scoring 17 or fewer points in their last 4 games.